moving it up just a little sliver. So the lines are... Ah.
Oh.
Get fuzz in there. Hey, it blew it out. I blew in there and it blew out. Oh my gosh, remember that little...
I do.
Why was she a little chubby girl, huh? That's all right, so.
It's too late. Your voice is on record.
Is it?
Yeah, it records voices.
And you take it off.
She's a cute. We'd have to start over. We can do that. That's fine. Just let you know. Hey, look, there's Mom. If Pam's little bitty, that means I'm in this show too.
I need that spray that you go shh, shh. Should I run upstairs and get it?
If you have some, go for it. Pam's doing patty cake. Look, and there's Grandpa.
Well, Karen wanted to watch. And I might need to test something that you wouldn't know how to do. I just said that. Here, I got it. Let go.
I'm not touching anything.
I have to keep my finger on the front part. It worked. Oh, look. Oh, happy baby. Happy girl. It's a piece of fishing line, I think. Huh?
Probably.
Oh, a stick, a twig.
Yeah, she needed some roughage in her diet. Is that Robin Dog?
Oh, looky how cute. Oh, baby girl. Hi. She hated that water. It was so cold. Watch. Watch her face. It's so funny. George is in this one, too. I remember now. Oh. Okay, that was enough for me. Ah, looky how sweet. Remember those bottles with the bottle baggies?
Oh, yeah.
Look at her cute little toe. Look at her knees.
Aw.
She must have went down.
There's Uncle George. Whoa. Oh,
You
put a
had
diaper on that kid.
No, you had diaper rash. We had to do that.
Well, I'm glad you said that on tape. Oh, I'm a cute smiley kid.
Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
Penny.
She's going to put the toys in.
She looks grumpy.
She's not. Not at all.
She's so cute.
That's Uncle George, I think. He used to come and play with her all the time. She's the first grandchild. Plus, he was my brother who I was really close to. Look, watch your face. See how much like it. Uh-oh. It's cold water. Isn't that sweet? Oops. Oh. And he steps back. He should have stepped closer, you know. Uh-oh. Oh.
She can't get up now. Yeah,
I'm not in these because I was taking them.
I know. Uncle George should have helped her out.
He just wanted to know it's okay. And
It's okay to sit in ice water?
Well, it was a hot day. It's not like... Well, she looked over there, so... There's her little ice cream cart.
Holy cow.
Huh?
The ice cream cart.
Sit down. Uh-oh, we're running out, I think. I think it's almost over. Uh-oh. Aw, poor baby girl. She's really used to me helping her a lot, you know. Uh-oh, that's the end.
Okay, we're recording.
Sweet. Alright, I'll go get the Fuzzbuster. I don't want to miss it. Hmm? I wasn't taking it that time. Somebody else was. Yeah.
She sneaks?
Yeah. It sure looked like it, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at her. So big. Look, snapping her fingers. Oh, we must have been singing because then she was snapping her fingers. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Trying to. Happy girl. Little bitty 1-year-old.
It's an awful lot of time to have a lot of fire in front of a kid's face.
Oh, is that adorable little tiniest baby me? That's Mishy. Mishy Rooney. I went to get her in there with her little sister. Little pumpkins. She had that little pink piano. There's Grandpa.
It looked yellow, Mom.
Oh,
He's hiding.
oh, this is when we lived with them. I think. Or we were just there for the birthday. I don't even know. Oh, we left that. What is she trying to put in the mouth? Ready? It's going.
I'm still working on mastering this.
Huh? This is so dark. I hope it gets better.
It's Bren's Film Noir. Aww.
It got better. Oh, look at glasses on. Hey, there's fuzz in there. Let me get that. Stop and see if I can blow that fuzz away. I'll do it while it's playing.
That's fine.
She's walking. Those are first steps. Pink bunny. Must have been brown.
And those are some styling shoes. Yeah, you're not going to get those around that big old head.
I don't know if I got it off or not.
Yeah, this is before child-proof locks.
Look, she cringes when the door goes by her eyes. Watch. Eek. Come out of the cupboard, honey, so we can see your cute little face. There's cousin Cindy. Half the time she had red marks on her face from her Kool-Aid bottle.
Aunt Wanda.
And Pammy.
Oh, Pam's gonna like this one with Aunt Wanda on it.
They had ice cubes in those little cups. We put ice cubes in them. Come on, go. There. I had to do adjustment. There's no tear.
Neither one of them can manage to put an ice cube in their mouth.
I think that's the date.
It's, let's stop it.
No.
Do that thing you were doing before.
I'm backing it up.
Well,
If you were on the leader, turn it over.
let's take it out and rerun it.
Okay. Oh, my baby.
See, I told you to rerun it.
Thank you.
I'm the smartest person.
Hi! Look, she's so excited. She almost fell over. I love it. Oh, this was on the Ann Street house. Look, she has knee socks on. Is this your birthday?
Yeah,
That's what I was thinking. She's helping. I'll take the ball.
no you won't.
Whose birthday was this anyway? No. Oh, goody. Dive in.
I love cake.
Yeah. Chocolate. My love for cake started many, many years ago. I think you can barely read it.
Hey, that's really cool though. Pam's helping.
Nom, nom, nom. Her little cheeks are
and
so-
wipe it on the shirt. Nice job. Hey, I wonder if that was my shirt. Just kidding.
Look, you have one big curl. Look at your nose. Patty cake, patty cake. Yay. Happy girl. Happy birthday.
Donna
to
Z.
you. Coughing on your cake. Cigarette cough.
Here's a
Look
germ.
at Pam, how cute. Look, how cute. Happy girl. No, really, you guys are excited about all the parties. Did you see how happy she is?
Uncle Perry.
Mission Perry. Our fireplace. Those are your first steps. We kept making you do it because we wanted to get it on tape. Get close and move your thing. Falling. Catch me, Pam. Oh, that was a hug. This little Pammy in the snow, but I didn't have boots for her, so I put bread bags on her feet. Oh my.
Oh my.
She just stood out there. Look. You should have had the camera. I should have been playing with her because otherwise she'll just get standing there.
He throws snow at her. Thanks.
Well, I stood there and said, "Are you guys gonna have a snowball fight?" You're at the door. I remember this now. That might have been the first time you really saw snow, you know. Look. It's cute, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Angel time. I'm like, make an angel. That's it. Kind of dark. I love mannequins. I made her those clothes, but they were really dark. We didn't have enough money to buy too many clothes. I already practiced. Smashed her in the head. Oh, it was me. Oops. It might be George's wife on the back. I'm not sure entirely. Or Tammy. Or Teddy. He had a girlfriend named Teddy. I hope this is threading correctly. I think, yes. Okay.
There's Barbara.
Hi, Barbara. George Amanda.
Oh, crap. Look at how skinny she is. Larry.
Larry. Uncle Larry. Penny. Mm-hmm.
Mission Dad.
He never gave you bottles. That's a joke of it.
He didn't know what to do with himself. He's like,
Meg. Aw, that is so sweet. You know?
mm-hmm.
I like it.
Dude, she was forever sucking on that bottle.
I know. I always always used to say, "Take the bottle away."
She still makes that face. Did you see that?
Who took my bottle? Right here. I'm like, fine. No. This is a little dark, but it's very cute. I like it.
Grandma.
Mommy.
Oh, Cindy.
Cindy Bear climbing in. Oh, cool. Who's that?
Donna
Donna
Z.
Z. And again with the bottles. Oh no, that's me. With a bottle. Family Mish with a bottle. You guys are laughing away.
It's like it's in fast motion or something.
Mm-hmm. Pumpkin. Oh, sweetie pie. Look at her cute little face. Look at her. We're opening presents as fast as we can. I'm just gonna...
Two of those bottles of Pepsi.
No, literally bottles.
Man, Mama, you're so pretty.
So what?
Pretty.
Oh. Mm. Yum. too.
Pam's too.
Happy birthday to you. Aww.
There's Grandma.
Who's Anna?
Who's holding her?
Can't wonder, I think.
Is that Annette? Oh, okay. Real dark.
Yeah, dark. Oh, well, maybe we'll go back to a part. There's Marie.
Why is it so fast?
I don't know. Oh, those dolls that walked. See?
Mm-hmm. I remember.
Look how happy she is. She's jumping. Those pink slippers.
There's Annette. Look at her.
Oh my gosh. There's
Is that
my
Zeke?
mom.
Holy mackerel.
That's Nancita with the hair.
Nancy, you said it was Wanda. She was
Okay.
Nancy.
Nancy and Nancy. Can't see who that is.
Well, that's Marie with the long hair in the back.
Okay.
And
Look at Uncle Keith. I'm laughing because of their age.
Mm-hmm.
Their age, not mine.
I'm recording.
Ah,
Is that a little Pam lamb?
no, it's a mission.
Oh, that's me.
Look, you guys have beanies.
Is that Louis Farrakhan on TV behind me?
Mm-hmm.
My yellow bead. Ah, ha, ha. Looky, no, I'm kidding.
Is that me?
That's you.
Chicky.
Holy
Ooh, wow.
crap. There's Mark.
Mark! Ah, how nice is that to see Mark? For 2 seconds.
Look at those birthday signs.
They were all making airplanes at that table. Did you know that? The kind you fly, remote control. And you wanted, I asked you what you wanted. You said Bert and Ernie on airplanes. Or Sesame. Oh, it's so much fun
There's
to see Mark.
George.
I'm glad we
Mark.
have
Pants. There's Wanda, pregnant with
Pregnant,
Darlene. I think Barbara's taking this film, because that's you.
Yeah, she was real considerate, always like that. Here, you get in and it's your family. Hi, Wanda.
Tammy.
Oh, Gail. Mark used to go with that girl named Gail.
There's
Vance. Oh, they shared birthdays. That might be why we the
Oh.
airplanes. You and Vance shared birthdays often.
Okay.
It'll be your turn in a minute. Look, our Christmas stockings. Did we get that?
Pepsi bottle.
Yeah, no thermos. I was gonna say, could we get that thermos? Look at the ashtrays. How funny is that?
Just sitting right there.
Looks like you have a Cheeto. Oh, look. Happy birthday to you. Look. Isn't that cute? Aw.
Digging right in. See, chocolate cake is still my favorite.
Looks like you had a popsicle ahead of time or something, Blue.
It sounds like that. I have a feeling one of my uncles told me to do that.
Probably. Lick it. George or, well, anybody.
Probably George.
Look at Pam. Look how cute. Look at her little profile.
Oh, wow. And it's excellent quality.
Nice. Is this Pam's birthday? There's little Mishy.
Yeah, it's Pam's
Aw,
birthday.
looky.
She's so cute. Look at that blonde hair.
Naturally. Wonder what's in that box.
Probably a Barbie.
Aw.
Better shape of her.
I didn't get to see.
There's Cindy. And Mama. And then Bozo the Clown.
Oh, yeah. Might have been Ronald McDonald. Oh my gosh, I wish this had voice. I have tapes that have Pam and Cindy talking.
I know.
Maybe we can make it the background on some of these.
Who's in the... I'm trying to figure out what TV show's playing. It's a commercial for band deodorant.
She's tearing into that, I'll tell you, whatever it is. Can you tell what it is?
Not yet. Bob used one of his razor-like claws to cut right into that box.
No.
Oh no, it's one of those walking poppin' things?
Aardvark. Her
Remember that
aardvark.
guy. Holy mackerel.
Move your foot, Bob.
Why do we all have our coats on?
We probably had our heat off. No, I don't know.
Oops. You said that on tape.
Huh?
I remember that phone.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
She couldn't be cuter. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I'm still decorating. Look at cheese. Oh. Happy
I'm glad Aunt Barbara took these pictures so we could see our mom. That's cool.
It might have been my brother's.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Pamela. Yeah. Well, what else would it say?
Well, I might have written something like, Pokemon or...
Well, probably not since it wasn't
I
invented.
know, but I'm just saying.
What's with that little dog?
It's cute.
Blue-nosed dog.
I use real strings, it looks like.
Mhm.
That's cute.
And you puffed up his collar, too. That was very cool.
Wait, you gotta focus. How cute are you guys?
Oh. Face plant. She's still smiling.
How cute! Look at you two. That water's filthy, is it?
No, it's got to be the lighting.
Okay.
I hope we're not peeing. Uh-oh.
Knuckle buttons.
One kisses.
Okay, where's my Pamela? There she is.
Oh, I knew that wasn't going to happen.
That's that little house.
I remember it. No, I don't remember it. I remember pictures of it. What's she doing?
She just wants to swing around the circle. This is so
Pam's
funny.
pole dancing at 2 years old. Nice.
How cute is that? That's the pole we used to tie the dog to.
She's
She's just a
singing.
leash. Oh yes, Rockstar. Oh yeah, this is Rockstar Pam. Oh come on, stay squared away. Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, putting the puppies in the pool. That's why the water is dirty. When it starts jiggling, I push this down just ever so slightly. I'm just like coaxing it at the same time thinking, oh, come on, stay put.
Cruelty to animals.
I wish we could hear her. Look,
Disneyland.
I couldn't get you guys. I couldn't take good pictures of you guys because it was going around. It's funny. I think you guys were in a Dumbo. They're all Dumbo. Then I'm right.
There's Mom. You weren't even taking it. You were with us.
Good. Oh, back up. I want to see Pam.
You can't for sure.
Oh. See, this is not a good video, but I didn't know.
It's okay.
You do what you can.
It's still there. You still
I
see
know, but it would have been nice to see the kids, you know. You can't see them.
No focus. There.
Isn't it raining?
Oh my God, I'm cute.
And both are so cute. Where's Pamela?
No, Pam's absolutely beautiful child. She's so pretty.
No, wait. That might have been the Hiles.
We took a half second a picture of the back of their head. Thanks for taking us to Disneyland.
Okay, that was about all of that.
There we go.
Oh, this is going to be so cool.
Just come in and grab.
Look at how cute. I think there was bugs in the water, little skimmers or something. Wipe up. Look at Pam. Look. I love it.
Why is it so slippery?
It's just slippery.
It's funny. You would think sand wouldn't be slippery. Look at skinny little mama.
Yeah, I'm
Ooh.
telling you.
Oh my gosh, that's really cool.
That's fun.
That's not.
Oh my gosh, am I cute? Boo-ba. Look at you kids.
That one's
That's the end. Oh, this is the airport.
This is our front yard. Looking at the landscape. Look at those cars driving by.
Cool. There's a loopy up there. See that?
Yeah, I see.
I don't know why we took pics of that one. Look at how old those cars are.
Holy
That's
mackerel.
It'll be more fun just to have people. That's our whole front yard, all these people that visited. We used to have a picnic every year. That was Katie and them. Mark,
Yeah, that's me and somebody.
Donna. There's some Donna. Oh, Bart and Billy. Aunt Donna. Can't tell who that was. Who was that?
I'm guessing Annette.
Keith
And the
Daniel.
yellow is big guy. Oh, that was Luke Schneider, Mom. In the blue jumpsuit.
You're right, the Schneider boy.
Mm-hmm. There's another Schneider boy.
And there's Pam. These are so cute of her. Watch. Isn't she cute? Look. There's bunnies in there. Look at her little Holly Holly dress.
Is that Penny?
Yeah.
Oh. Schneider boys.
Look, she's just going to stand and wave. How cute is she? I dropped my flashlight. I hope that doesn't break the bulb.
Look at you, legs.
Oh my gosh, I'm embarrassed. No, I'm just kidding.
An adjustment.
I'm working on it. Look at your hair. How cute. Your Beano. Beanzo.
That's not Beanzo. That's some other doll.
Okay.
My Beanzo's yellow. How old are you? Trying to make a 3. Hey, look, even then I was doing sign language. My Cinderella.
Have yourself a bippity boppity birthday. That's the year I got dropsies. I stayed up all night making your signs and get ready for the party.
There's beans.
I fell asleep on my hand, and it didn't work. Darlene,
Wow.
Oh, she's tiny. Like, she looks like she's barely standing, you know.
Lights out.
Happy birthday to you. Dear Michelle. Used to say birthday, that's why I said that. Look. Tammy. She hated the lights. At that point, I don't know what happened, but like it was too bright for her.
I remember they were hot, too.
Oh, the movie light?
Mm-hmm.
You're right.
It's almost 4.
Look.
I think she still makes that face, too. Bob. Hey, could you give me a bigger piece of cake? No wonder I'm so big now. Oh,
Well, I only gave you cake once a year. Ice cream cone.
it's cold and she's still liking it.
Ah, look at Aunt Wanda.
It's her.
Oh, she got a book.
Looks like a jammer shirt.
Brown kisses. Oh yeah, George and Wanda brought you a stick of books. Oh, little golden books.
Watch that finger, kid. No.
Wait, give it to me.
Okay.
I did it. The ceramic studio, look. Uh-oh, adjust.
Look at how beautiful Pam is. Wow.
Look. Look at beautiful Aunt Barbara, too. Beautiful little Cindy. They're cute. Isn't this nice? Was that Barbara? Maybe it was me. Hey, look, at the mall.
Of course I'm dancing.
Jelly bean. Ladies and jelly beans. They gave you each coloring book, I think. You were afraid, so I held you over there, so you could talk to Santa.
Pam doesn't look real keen on the idea. She's all hanging on to you. I mean, I don't think I was keen either.
Whoa. See you running. No, shake him up. It's the vomit bus. And whiplash. Well, Pam is really playing with it, you know. She's just like,
Over Look at her. Man, we need to get her on a mechanical bull.
I'm telling you.
Save a horse.
Right, cowboy. You can't even see little Cindy in there. Look at you. Okay. Oh, that was funny. Let's watch you get out. I'm not ready to get out. Looks like Christmas. Who's that little girl in the back? Oh. Look at that little... That is so dark. I don't know. What was this one? Do we know? My 4th birthday. Sorry. Maybe we'll go in another room in a minute. Maybe we're ready to sing.
Is my head on the screen when I do that?
Hmm? Ah! What?
The camera flash. There's kindergarten party. Hey,
What?
you have to have the chips while we're recording?
Oh.
Okay. Oh, I think I see Pam.
You're back here. Sorry.
I wasn't in Pam's kindergarten
I know, I
class.
just thought of that.
That's Pam right there with the forehead.
Mm-hmm. At least she wasn't one of those dumb gifts. She had a better part. Just kidding. Could we move it around any more than this? Look, how cute. Look. Aw. Oh, we're by the light.
Under Rose!
No way! Look.
Told her she's eyes crabby.
No,
How
the
do-
light bothers her. Making a hasty escape there. See ya. Look at the thermos. Yeah, pump that. Happy birthday, baby.
Well, look at that tutu.
Who lifted her up? I don't know.
Uncle
Uncle
Mark.
Mark. She's by her grandma.
Gonna be
Donna.
Mom with the light.
That's funny. There's Mark.
Bob's playing the piano. There's Marie.
And Mark's dancing
Would you just give
We'll
the
come
kids
to
a
you.
break?
Get that light on.
Julia. Oh, she didn't like the light either.
Ah.
He's grabbing her. Twinnies.
Bruce. Sniper.
Yeah, that's
Miss Rooney. Their hip out. Sure we didn't have a light on there. I mean, you know, when they're dark. There's Pam and Lena. Hi, Precious.
Santa.
Ah, look.
Nancy.
Lynette. I mean, Marie.
Marie and Nancy. What am I saying? Look, Katie.
Oh, to the right.
Look, Katie.
You're showing off the Barbie.
Hello, happy birthday.
There we go. There's Katie.
And Cindy.
Is that Cal? Kelly?
Yeah.
Julie.
Hi, Julie.
Keith is still waving. Must be Jimmy.
No. There's no Michael. How could that be Jimmy?
Oh. Maybe Jimmy. Maybe it's Mark.
No. There's no Michael. Michael's older than Oliver.
Everybody's blinded.
Mark was driving off the
Everybody needs it. She wanted to hold the light, but she's shining in everybody's eyes.
She's not tall enough to hold it. Yeah.
Larry. And
Oh,
Donna.
that little baby was Justin.
Of course. Maybe. She had a bun.
I'm done. Where's my presents? Oh, it's this little house. Grandma's holding Kelly. Oh no, there's Justin.
I was just thinking that.
That's me.
Keith's going at it again.
Name's changing.
That
Is it Carrie?
Carrie or Kelly?
I think that's probably shortcake. Oh, look how cute you are.
No. She wore that at the last party. Look, she must have got a new dress. She ran to get it. Those lights are so bright. She can't even see. I did. Ah, the McDonald's birthday. Look at Pam, no teeth. Justin. What's her name? Oliver?
Jeannie.
Oliver?
Oh,
Look, there's Mr. Rooney. Cindy Bear. Richie.
what's her name again? Loretta Hubbard? No. Hubbard. Jenny
No,
Hubbard.
Jenny.
Yeah. Was it Loretta? No, what's
Look at Pam. Look how cute.
Jeannie Oliver.
That's going too
Oh,
fast.
the one in the blue with the brown hair. Is that? I don't remember her name.
Look
I
at
want to
Pam.
say Loretta
Look.
Guess.
Look at you and your buddy.
Oh.
And Donald.
Kevin McCormick.
Remember when he invited you to your birthday?
His birthday.
Yeah. his.
And his dad carried me up to the house. Because it was snowing outside.
This must be at home. Looks like you had a Barbie doll. Is this Mark? Oh, Casper.
Casper from Ghost.
Look at Aunt Wanda.
There's Carrie.
Ah, look at Katie. Barbara. We'll get in the movie. Where's my pen? There.
She's right
Look at Julie. This
Kelly.
is that light.
Kelly was a beautiful
Kelly.
baby girl. She was so pretty.
That's Lisa.
Yeah, it is.
Hi, Lisa.
Michael.
Michael.
Penelope.
He might really enjoy that because if he had a copy, because he has a baby.
There's Uncle Vance.
Vance, Jeff. Nancy, look how cute Nancy is.
With her braces. Sweet.
Look at him.
You can't see. His little Lisa.
Look, they're trying to avoid the camera. Look at little Kelly belly.
Isn't she cute?
Oh, look how cute you are. Look here. Could we go any faster there? Wow.
No, then what
Oh,
else?
help yourself.
Hey, it's my birthday.
I know.
Oh, I just
Like
licked this. No.
We were waiting to
Okay.
see.
Get your arm
Oh,
off the
that's me.
picture. Sorry.
Did we just see this? Oh, this is Pam's turn. So it's different kids. Look how cute. Look how pretty her hair is. Oh, look at Cindy.
There's me.
Making faces.
Look at I'm cracking myself up. Hey, look at those knee socks. Man, I'm pissed. Who's that little boy? Is it Richie? Somebody Richie?
Mm.
What is it with Jenny Hubbard? She's just staring over the top of her glasses.
Julie and Lisa.
Somebody gave Julie a haircut in it. It doesn't look like it was a professional. Look at my buddy Lisa.
In a minute, you'll be wiggling.
There's Mike and Mike.
Oh, your buddy Mike. Oh, the light's too bright for his little eyes. Look. Aww. Aww.
Warm his hands now. He probably told me, keep his hands out of his face.
Yeah.
Oh, what the crap! You can't do that to a kid on their birthday.
Ronald. Look, her boyfriend. No, I don't know.
I bet she would know who that boy is.
She wants him to chase her.
Look how cute she is.
Now here we are at home.
Grandma's
holding
has
Mike a Mike. Hi. 7. Mission. With the faces. Cute.
Smurfette.
Happy
Cool.
birthday, Pamela. Is that a bear butt?
No, I'm sure it got underpants on.
You think? Okay.
I like to think my mother would have told me to go put some pants on.
Well, if we were taking the video. Kidding. Oh yeah, Grandma made those jammies for you guys. Wait, he's sleeping.
I'm making him
Wake
wait.
up! He's like, you got lipstick or something.
I must have had some lip gloss.
Just
Smack it. Oh.
Oh. Can we be any meaner?
I'm gonna make him smile. Watch. Pam's
protecting his eyes.
Pam's like, I know. I hated that light in my eyes too.
Oh, it looks like we did something different here.
Aw.
Yeah, we really made him cry. Aw, poor baby, come
I'm
here.
covering his eyes here.
Aw.
That's gonna make him real happy. Oh. No, stop. For what? That.
This is so cute. This is Grandma's house. Look, it's Lisa and Justin. Pammy, look at Pammy. How sweet is this?
That's Lisa. Is that Doug then? If that's Lisa?
Mm-hmm.
You just have Justin.
Mish, swinging her hips.
Scolded Richie and then came and gave me a hug.
Barbara and Donna.
Johnny says, no, take the kid. Who was that little girl next door? Was that Jeannie Oliver?
Yes, it was. Jeannie Oliver.
Maybe that is.
That's Lisa.
That is Justin.
Justin
You're right.
and Lisa. Judy Oliver. That was our Cadillac. Our boat. Cindy and Rich. There's Pam. Cute. Happy girls. In your good dress.
Cindy.
Barbara bought you guys those dresses. They all three matched. Aren't they cute?
Mm-hmm.
So check out. Look. Look how cute Justin is.
Hi. Now, if this is 81,
81.
that's not Lisa. That's got to be Julie.
Yeah.
I knew that didn't make sense.
You're
'cause
right.
Lisa-
Very good.
That pole had some metal pieces that stuck out. It was straight up her hand. It's awful.
Look up here.
We had so much fun.
Look how pretty Cindy looks. You guys just look so pretty. So nice. And little Julie. Could we have gotten that right? Look at Donna. Skinny Donna. That's cute. Sticky.
Here comes Justin flying through.
Are you sure that wasn't Richie?
Yeah, that was Richie because Justin was wearing blue.
And you're right, that's Julie. I mean, that's Cindy, but the baby's Julie.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of red, but it's cute.
Oh, cool.
Pam's 8 years old. She had more
Pants,
Pants, Keith,
Pants, Grandma, Pam, Cindy, Mish, Barb, Lisa.
Keith, Wanda,
Kelly,
Carrie, Kelly.
Look at Linda.
Oh, how cool is this? Julie's right in the front, I think.
No, that's Lisa. Oh,
Right here, a little
that's
nod.
Kelly.
Look. Jumping bean.
That's Kelly.
Oh, how
waving.
cute are these? Look. Robin, Mussolini. Mike the Mike. Whack. Hello, Bonk. The cutie. There's Pammy. There's my Pammy.
All the kids playing.
She snaps her hand. Those were more mini napkins. Look at Katie.
Look at cute little mama.
Yeah, still skinny. Those pants I'm wearing there, I have them on right now. Nah.
As a belt.
Oh, homemade Cabbage Patch, tell us. Suit. There's Julie. Grandma gave Pam some candy. Big Mike.
Pam's got
Sleepers.
Lucky feet.
Yeah. What's Barbara doing back there?
Michael. Is that the same bottles we have?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a quart. Look. Oh, this is a Care Bear birthday. This is gonna be so cute.
This is Michael's first birthday.
Mm-hmm.
You made Michael's Care Bear?
Yeah. He was my sunshine. See the little yellow sunshine bear? Look. Look at this. It looks like he got milk.
Aww.
What's the matter? Why is he so sad? The light?
No.
Washing the cake off of him in the kitchen sink.
His
Oh, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. Hi, big boy. Oh. Drinking bath water. A little sip.
Don't throw the baby out with the bath
Look.
water.
Yum, yum, yum. That old farmhouse sink, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Makes it look like he was born in the 50s or something. Look at her son. And he goes, muscle. And he's showing his muscles. Muscle baby. Those juice ones. Alrighty, back there with the warden. Ups. Ups. Oh, I was trying to get first steps, I bet.
No, he's a year old.
I don't know, but those are young steps, I mean. Remember
Oh
that
my
owl
gosh, I
clock?
do remember that clock.
Remember that TV stand?
No, I don't remember.
So big. Up. Look.
Here's the
Cute.
mic.
Ah, sweet.
Natalie? Is that Natalie?
No,
Who's
Kelly. Carrie.
No.
Oh.
The adult woman with the blonde hair that's Carrie sitting in her lap.
I thought it was that one down.
Wow.
Robin, Marie, Grandma.
No,
What's
that's
that
not
one?
Wanda.
I don't know that girl right there.
Okay.
Behind Grandma, there's a girl.
That's Robin.
Different girl. I think. Ah, look at Carrie. Look at Mikey.
I remember that yellow tank top. Awesome. Him was so trendy.
We ran out of light.
Oh, I bet you he's still not there. There's Julie.
Julie.
Hey, that's my mama.
Jeff. Look at this. Ice cream truck. Go bigger, huh? This is so cute, isn't it? I think.
Time for ice cream.
Big wheel.
Big wheel.
Probably just got it for his birthday.
Yeah.
Look, he doesn't know how to pedal yet.
His legs might not be long enough. Those big wheels.
That's funny. Where's
Keep
that?
flicking the camera on. When you do that, you can't really get a phone.
So what's he carrying, a puppy? Kitty.
Oh, the pinto.
I don't think that's a kitty, do you? It's
Good.
a kitty. You're probably going to rescue it, huh?
No, it's fine. You're just going around. No. All right, now.
Jeez.
It's upside down and backwards. How crazy is that? It's more air show.
Different there.
Oh, now there's more crap in there too.
Well, you can start recording if you want.
I thought it was kind of cool. How often do you get to see a plane land
Do we
upside
have
down?
enough time on our thing to do it? Oh, I get you. Yeah, that'd be nice. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is much better slower.
Pam's holding up 8 fingers. Look at me. Sit still, Dad. Kate's like, come over here. And I'm like, okay. I think it was on regular time last time.
Because here's the difference.
Julie.
It's all quiet. Who's watching?